it's been a lot of hard work for me to kind of look the way I've looked in the trailer and the film, and I really want to thank Murugadoss sir, who's worked with the best action heroes in our country, and I worked with him in Holiday, and he realized that he felt and he trusted me with this kind of a film. So I'm really, really thankful to him, and it's about this girl who kind of stands up against all odds, and I feel that every girl today should be able to take care of herself, because you can be thrown into any situation, and you need to stand up for yourself basically, and this film is about that and her journey, and it's actually a really, really cool thriller. It's got a couple of tracks going on. There's Anurag's track, there's Konkana's track, there's my track, and they're all interconnected in some way. So it's a really cool Murugadoss style thriller.
I wanted to ask you, how was the experience with working with the same director for the second time?
It was great. I think the first film that we did together, Holiday, which you all loved and the audiences loved, and he's a fantastic director to work with. I felt that in the very first film that I did with him. Frankly, I was pleasantly surprised when he came to me with this film, and he said that, we're going to turn it around and make it a woman-centric, make it a hard-hitting film about this girl's character. And I was like, you want me to do it? He's like, yes, for sure. I think you can pull it off. And he's a very, very trusting, very good director to work with. I don't think I could have asked for anybody else to do a film like this with for the first time.
To ask, how do you feel after having so much of action and kick-ass stunts and stuff like that?
I feel ready to beat someone up right now. So yeah, good, there's this distance over here. It feels great. There's always an adrenaline rush, happening when you do scenes like that on set, and with all these amazing stuntmen and the fighters, and our action director, who I've worked with a lot in the past. Actually, he's done Anal Arsu, he's done most of my films, Dabangg 2, he's done Rowdy Rathod, he's done Holiday, and in the fourth film, he was directing me doing the action. So it was quite exciting and really, really awesome. Yeah.
I would like to ask that among all the Dabangg action stars you've worked with, who's your favorite?
Oh, the diplomatic answer comes now. Well, Dabangg, obviously Salman. Rowdy, Akshay. Dabangg is Salman, Rowdy is Akshay, Sardar is Ajay. And yeah, so I guess I think I've worked with them the past 5 years. I've been working with these guys, and उनसे मैंने ये सभी सीखा है, मारपीट ही सीखी है उनसे. So it's truly been a pleasure watching them do the action on screen, and I love action films. I love to be a part of them, and I'm really happy, thankful, grateful that I could be doing the action in this film myself.
There's a lot of action in the film. Was it difficult prepping up for the action that you're doing?
It was not easy for sure, but I've played a lot of sports in my school and college days, so athletically I'm capable of doing that. So I did train for like 3-4 months before the film started. I was training while we were shooting for the film. So it was difficult. I went through a lot of like injuries, and it's painful as hell. You wake up sore every single day, and some part or the other is like always hurting, but it was all worth it. So yeah, I trained quite a bit for this film.
सोनाक्षी आपके बहुत सारे जैसे while holiday मुरुगदोस सर ने आपको देखा होगा, आप स्पोर्ट्स में भी काफ़ी बहुत सारे थे, तो जिस पल ये फिल्म ऑफर हुई आपको, उस पल क्या रिएक्शन था, और घर वालों से जब आपने शेयर किया तो मॉम डैड ने क्या कहा?
मेरा रिएक्शन, मैं बहुत खुश थी, क्योंकि जैसा कि मैंने कहा, मुझे एक्शन फिल्में देखना बहुत पसंद है, उनका हिस्सा बनना बहुत पसंद है. तो जब ये फिल्म मुझे आई तो आई वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी. मैंने डैड को और मॉम को स्टोरी सुनाई, तो वो भी बहुत खुश थे, क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छी कहानी है, बहुत ग्रिपिंग स्टोरी है. एक अकेली लड़की की स्ट्रगल की फाइट की स्टोरी है. तो ओवरऑल द रोल इज़ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. तो वो भी सुन के बहुत खुश हुए, एंड there was no reason absolutely for me to say no to this film.
कॉलेज में हम लोग, अपने कॉलेज के दिनों में अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें, कभी कोई ऐसा वाकया हुआ कि दे दनादन टाइप्स कुछ, कोई भी स्कूल कॉलेज का अगर वाकया हो?
एक्चुअली मैं स्कूल कॉलेज में इतनी खुद एक गुंडी थी, कोई मुझसे पंगा लेता ही नहीं था, देख के ही लोग डर जाते थे. मौका ही नहीं मिला, मतलब दूर से ही लोग, अच्छा इसके पास मत जाना.
आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट ये आपने ट्रेलर सलमान को दिखाया या जितने भी आपने आपने जिसके काम किया या कोस्टर्स आपने उनको दिखाया, क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिला है कुछ इस पे बताना
अभी तक एक्चुअली अभी रिलीज हुआ है ट्रेलर, तो मुझे किसी को दिखाने का
हैव यू
मौका-
डिस्कस विद देम कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट है and all?
Well, Akshay knows Murugadoss sir, and he knows what the story is about. And I remember before I started the film, he told me that this will be a game changer for you, and it'll be a fantastic film for you to do. तो आँख बंद करके कर ले आँख बंद करके. That's what he told me. So he's also been very very supportive, and in fact जब first look निकला था तो उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा tweet भेजा था मेरे लिए, कहा था कि you know for her to for an action director who's done action films with so many heroes and such hero-centric films to make a film like that and trusting me with it was a great thing. So I truly take it as a compliment. Thank you.
हम कौन है बैठ के जजमेंट करें इस बात का और डिसाइड करें कि उसको क्या करना चाहिए. जिसको जो करना चाहिए वो अपने डिसाइड करें. Personally speaking, yeah, I don't think I'm anyone to be making a comment on this. I'm so inappropriate myself. I've done